The Emily Ochre circular cast-on is an excellent cast-on for projects that are knit in the round from the centre. A crochet hook is helpful if you have one. If you don't have one to hand, you can do this with knitting needles. Step 1. Create a loop with the short end facing down and the working end on the top and facing up. Leave a long enough tail to weave in the ends when you're finishing your project. Step 2. Take a crochet hook, put it through the loop, catch the yarn and pull it through to make a loop. Step 3. Catch the yarn above the loop and pull it through the loop you've just made. You've just cast on one stitch. To make the next stitch, repeat step 2, put the yarn through the loop, catch the yarn and make a loop, and then finish it with step 3 by catching the yarn above the loop and pulling it through. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you have the required number of stitches. When you have the required number of stitches, you can transfer your stitches to a knitting needle and arrange them according to the pattern. Once you have your stitches arranged on your needles how you would like them, you can then tighten the loop to close the centre. And that gives you a lovely neat circular cast on.